Located behind me is a crossgate belly dump trailer made by Cross Country Manufacturing. The unique part of this trailer here is the distance from the ground to the gates. This trailer is primarily used for shouldering. It would be used by counties and municipalities. It's a 30-yard capacity, and it can be up to about a 50-yard capacity depending on the axle configuration. This particular trailer is a tri-axle, so the axles that are on this trailer are rated at 30,000 pounds apiece. What's nice about the trailers, the bearings are common size inner and outer. One of the things with using Strenx material, Hardox, and T1 steel is because you can lighten up the vessel, you can add heavier components where needed, where they matter, in the axles, in the landing gear, in the back bolsters. That's the unique part of Cross Country Manufacturing. When you take a look at the advantages, Cross Country Manufacturing in this segment has the answer for you.